Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello, Mini Cooper owners. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mini Cooper's TPMS. Before starting, it is crucial to ensure all 4 of your tires are inflated to their correct pressure. You can typically find this recommended pressure on a sticker located inside your driver's side door jamb. Even after properly inflating your tires, the TPMS warning light might stay illuminated, indicating it needs a manual reset to recognize the new pressure settings. For many earlier Mini Cooper models, resetting the TPMS involves a physical button. You will typically find this button positioned near the emergency brake handle or sometimes beneath the steering wheel. With your ignition turned to the on position, but without starting the engine, press and hold this reset button. Continue holding until the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard flashes 3 times, then release it. Now, you are ready for the next step. If you own a more recent Mini Cooper, the reset process is usually done through the infotainment system. Begin by starting your engine. On your central display, navigate to the My Mini menu, then proceed to Vehicle Status. From there, select Tire Pressure Monitor or Flat Tire Monitor. Choose Perform Reset and confirm your selection. After this, drive your Mini for at least 10 minutes at a steady speed to allow the system to calibrate. If your TPMS light continues to flash after a reset, it might signal a sensor malfunction or a low battery within one of the sensors. Remember to check the pressure of your spare tire too, as some models include a sensor there. If the warning light remains illuminated or flashes persistently, it is best to consult a qualified Mini service technician. Regular tire pressure checks, perhaps every 2 weeks, are vital for your safety and tire longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.